Baking by Sam Jarvis, age 12. My grandmother loves making bread and cakes and is always surprised that the rest of my family never do any baking. So my parents decided they'd take me and my younger sister on a course so that we could all find out how to make bread and pizza, our favourite food. We booked our places and set off for Oakton Farm in the countryside. It was a very long drive, and when we arrived, we went straight to bed. The next morning, we got up early, fed the ducks on the lake, and looked at the bull in the next field. Then we met our teacher, Michael, who seemed quite strict, and the other parents and children who were really friendly. The cooking part was brilliant. Michael gave us long white coats to wear, which we all felt a bit silly in. Then we all made bread rolls, mixing flour and water with our hands. My sister kept complaining at first. Then even she started to enjoy it and to concentrate on following the instructions. Dad made lots of mess. I got flour on the floor and in my hair, and Mum didn't even get angry. I took ages to make my rolls, though. We finally put our initials on the bottom of each roll, then made some pizzas and decorated them, which was fun. And we didn't even have to do the washing up. For something to do while the pizzas were cooking, we all went for a swim in the lake. It was fantastic. Then we went back inside and ate our pizzas. They were the best we'd ever tasted. Questions. Questions 21. What is Sam trying to do in the text? A. Explain how to bake cakes. B. Discuss the importance of knowing how to cook. C. Describe how he enjoyed a day with his family. D. Inform readers about life on a farm. 22. Sam's parents took the children to Oakton Farm because they wanted them to A. Learn a new skill. B. Make something for their grandmother. C. Spend time in the countryside. D. Meet other people the same age.